Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your NBT Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in NBT Bank login, and as the search result you can see on the first option NBT Bank. Click on it. It will take you to the official website of NBT Bank, and over here in this interface you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and from this drop down arrow choose your account type and click on login now. It will redirect you to this login portal of NBT Bank, and over here enter your user ID and password of your account. You can check mark this remember my user ID if you are using a private computer for further use, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your NBT Bank account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here forgot password or forgot user ID to reset it. And if you want to create a new account on NBT Bank, click here on register. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.